This is at the Hampton Inn in Schaumburg. These are hydro. Which side's it gonna be? No problem. Here's what the guest floors are like. Huh. Honestly, this does not give Hampton Inn vibes. Like, it just doesn't look like a Hampton Inn. I don't know. It's really light. Maybe that's just me, but this doesn't give Hampton Inn vibes. Maybe I'm just going crazy. Feel free to debate that in the comments. We got this one now. Oh, this one doesn't have a rear door. See the other one down there, just got to the bottom. Hey, wait a second. Impatient doors. These are probably Enduras. These are nice though. They're nothing special, but they're nice. Ended on 2. Going up?
Yes.
What floor?
Just 2.
How do you
Floor,
mean?
please.
The penthouse up there.
Oh, yeah.
I'm just filming for a project, sorry.
Oh, you're fine.
Got a project.
I'm just interested in elevators. I go around and film them where I can,
Oh,
when I
nice.
got the time.
I'll see you in the morning.
Alrighty.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Well, that will be it.